My name is Salamawi Magdana. I'm from Ethiopia. Applied research project is conducted to measure the integral impact of Holy Family Hospital in Bethlehem, Palestine, designing impact evaluations in order to help development organizations so that they can understand whether the interventions are working.
I am Sergio Martinez and I am from Guatemala. My ERP will consist of an investment fund for banana workers of farms that are belonging to cooperatives city of Tiquizate, that is in Guatemala. Our goal with this investment fund is to foster a change of behavior of the workers, their family members, their co-workers, and their members of the society. So here in the program, we learn a strategic way to reach effectiveness of impact evaluations.
This is Armel Fadi, and I am Cameroonian. For my ARP, I conducted an impact evaluation on the implementation of personalized computers from Intel in Paraguay. And the purpose for this intervention was to help the students do better academically, and also we wanted to see how the implementation of these computers helped the students and their surroundings as a whole.
I'm Vanya Arsadan. My applied research project was an impact evaluation of a program in the Philippines that provided typhoon-resistant school buildings. Through this project, I was able to apply what I was learning in my classes, as well as different opportunities to publish and present at conferences.
My name is Stephanie Chada. I was born and raised in Haiti. My applied research project is about a company named Raycon. So the project is to evaluate the impact evaluation on the project, which is make quality food more accessible to low-income, specifically to Bolon food stamps.
The ARP I'm currently working on is the Nana Farmers HIV prevention program in Guatemala. I would definitely recommend this program to any student who wants to do applied economic development work, because here you not only get the skills you need from learning econometrics and how to apply it by using a program such as eViews or Stata, you also get the hands-on experience with your ARP.